Among these six concepts, the first four, especially in my spiritual prescription, so far I have issued more than 1 lakh prescriptions, the spiritual prescriptions. Okay, and once again, I want to tell you very clearly, the spiritual tablets are not just like tablets that you are getting from your doctor. Because, of course, it may be funny for you, but I need to tell. Uh, when I am conducting these spiritual tablets workshops in rural area in Srikakulam and Vijayanagar districts, the day long from morning 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., I used to conduct the workshop. At the end of the workshop, around at 4:35, in the last bench, one senior citizen used to raise a hand and he used to ask me a question, Dr. Saab, you said you are going to give me some tablets. Since morning, I am waiting. So when once if you give the tablets for me, then I'll go home. I am very patiently listening everything, and still now I have no tablets came into my hand. So I don't want to be, see myself in that position. So try to understand that here the tablets means these are all wisdom capsules. So even though they look alike, but every concept has got its own great value. Because I worked on thousands of patient God, I realized a particular technique is very much useful for a particular problem. So slowly we try to understand those concepts one after other. So here in this energy amplification, out of all these four, how to apply these amplification techniques on ourselves for our own health, and after that, of course, the community. So coming to the meditation, we call it as an individual meditation. So basically, it is to attain thoughtless mind. So the meditation is for two things. One is to gain cosmic energy. The second thing is to tune ourselves into alternate frequencies. These are the only major two benefits. So initially, it is for cosmic energy. So that's why if we attain that thoughtless mind, then a lot of cosmic energy will flow inside our energy system through Brahmananda, and then that automatically cleanses the nadi. So that's why inflow of cosmic energy and a cleansing of that nadi system also will happen, and energy blocks will be cleared automatically, and we get a symptomatic relief. Whatever the complaints we have, that is a pain or whatever the complaints we have initially, that will be reduced in a span of 40 days or 3 months or whatsoever, based on the patient's karmic patterns. So, and then of course we get some meditation experiences as well, and it can be done anytime, and any place is okay for meditation initially. So 24/7 anytime you can use. And there are some people during traveling, during train and bus also, they will do the same meditation happily. Initially it may looks like a bit disturbance, but after that simply we ignore the external noises and simply we can project into breath. Whenever you are getting those thoughts, just cut those thoughts and come on to the breath. Of course, if there are some seniors here in the watching in YouTube, they know much better about all these basic points. But just for the beginner's sake, just I would like to give in a nutshell. And especially for the bedridden patients and serious illness cases, definitely they need to do more meditation, because definitely they are operating at a very low energy state. So to fulfill the energy, they need to do more. Otherwise, usually we advise equal to the age minutes. Means a 30 years man, 30 minutes, a 40 years man, 40 minutes, and 10 years kid, 10 minutes is enough. This is in general rule. But if they have more major health problem, then they need to do more hours, and especially the critical illness like cancers, and they need to do 10 hours and 12 hours. There are some cancer patients, even in third and fourth stage also, by doing intense meditation for 10 hours and 14 hours in a day, completely they cured their problem. Today, without any medicine, they were recovered, and happily they are living their life. So it is possible. Nothing is impossible in this world, provided if you do whatever the hard work you are supposed to do for the particular thing.